In front of me is HONOR X7b, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and clicking on those three dots at the top right corner. Then hit Recording Quality and apply the best option for you. Now to start recording, click on this big button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, access all of those options, like edit, from here. If you want to rename it, you need to hold it. Hit rename at the bottom, type in wherever you want to, and choose OK. To get rid of it, you can also hold it, but this time select the delete option instead of rename one. And confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!